Hey you guys, I'm interrupting this video to make a special announcement. We are actually having a giveaway. My blogger friends and I, this is the P9 IG squad coming back to you to give back to all you beautiful people. This giveaway is going to be for YouTube and Instagram, so make sure that all of your profiles are public because we will have to check if you guys are following us, and if you're public and following all the rules, I will put all the mechanics down below. Everything here on the pink fur is for YouTube, so if that's what you're gonna do, you can actually do both if you want to, because this giveaway ends March 15th. You have time to think about which giveaway you want to enter, or enter both, because this is for the Instagram giveaway. Everything here on the white fur is for Instagram, and there's a lot of high-end items here, so please make sure that you follow all the rules, follow all of us, make sure, big thing, make sure you are not private. We will be checking, and this giveaway ends March 15th. So good luck to all of you. Love you all, and have a wonderful day. Back to your program. Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's my hubby here. And today we are gonna review Carbon Coco.
Is that the movie?
Right.
It's like a copy of it?
Carbon Coco is actually a natural teeth whitening system based in Australia. The main ingredient is activated charcoal.
For your teeth?
Yes.
Isn't charcoal black?
It is black.
I think we're ready to barbecue.
Activate the charcoal. Stupid. So without further ado, let's get started.
Step 1. First, brush your teeth with activated charcoal tooth polish.
So that is this guy right here.
I never heard toothpaste as polish. Isn't that like shoes?
But is that what you do when you brush your teeth? You polish them?
Step 2. Lightly rinse and expel charcoal from mouth.
It's funny because it does look like a shoe polish container. But you open it. I'm afraid to smell it because it's like really fine grain powder. I don't know if it's gonna go in my nose if I smell it. You want to smell it?
No.
Oh, there's no smell. And it's probably not sanitary for me to dip it in here, but since I'm the only one using this, I'm gonna dip it in here. So I just lightly patted it, and it very nicely coated the bristles. I wish some eyeshadows did that. We're going in.
Oh.
I want it.
Oh.
Are you doing that right? It's grainy.
Oh. Looks like you ate Denny Guan, and it's all stuck in your teeth. Does it taste anything?
Mm-mm.
There's powder on your lips.
Oh yeah?
Go like that. There's no taste or nothing?
Mm-mm.
Looks like you brush your teeth with an Oreo cookie.
I'll put more.
Just go in, double dipping, folks.
Oh, now I taste it.
Because it's probably saliva's mixing with it, right?
Uh-huh.
And it's dripping in the back of your throat now.
Yeah, I'm not letting it go there. Let it from that.
It says, just kidding, don't put this in your mouth.
What?
So step 2, you have to lightly rinse and expel the charcoal from mouth. So you need to rinse off now.
Mm-hmm.
And then step 3 is brush your teeth with this.
So I'm back. I rinsed it out, and as you can see, it's kind of all over my gums and my face and stuff, stuck to my makeup. So note to self, if you're about to go on a date or somewhere where you have to be seen, do this before you put on your makeup.
Now you gotta brush your teeth with this.
Okay, so this is the Carbon Coco Spearmint Activated Charcoal Toothpaste.
So now this is step 3, brush with activated charcoal toothpaste.
Oh, and then it's black.
Whoa!
Oh, hi. But it smells spearmint,
Oh yeah, I can smell the spearmint.
It smells kind of like a men's gym locker room, huh? Alright, I'm going in. That's good.
Okay, I'm going ahead and reading step 4.
Okay.
Because it says do not swallow, spit out, and rinse after use. So I think they should say step 4 before they say step 3, maybe. Not to swallow. Because what if you swallowed it and didn't read step 4 and then you were like,
oh, I ate it!
You'd be dead, but your teeth would be clean.
Right.
Does it taste minty?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Alright.
It doesn't look black. Let me see.
Mm-mm.
No.
So I rinsed. Got anything in my teeth?
No, they look white. They look clean.
Overall, I like it as a natural alternative. I feel like they should add the powder in the toothpaste. So if you're going to do something on a daily, less steps for me would be better. If you're not into chemicals and stuff like that, I think you would like this.
I think it's cool, but it's just like you said, 4 steps is usually people only have 2 steps. Put toothpaste in there, and then afterwards maybe gargle.
Right.
But this is like adding another 2 steps to your stuff.
If you're going for something natural, I mean, this is the thing to do. Shaye or nay, I say Shaye.
And I say Shaye, so that's touche.
Wow.
Too cliche?
No.
Oh.
And that is it for this video.
Coco.
If you guys like this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all the videos as I post them. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Toodles!